You don't need a big expensive boat with a giant tow ring to tow people successfully on tubes. All you need are a few things, and we'll show you those things right now. Converting your fishing boat or bass boat into a weekend warrior ski and fish for the moment is pretty simple. All you need is a tow harness, which we just showed hooking up right now, connected to a booster ball. These two components give a very comparable performance to a tow ring, in that the harness is evenly placed on each side of the handles, which are really commonly found on any aluminum boat, and that red part there is actually a pulley that swivels along that white coated wire seamlessly. Every time you turn, it pivots and it does what it's supposed to do, while the booster ball keeps the rope out of the water. At that apex point, you see where the booster ball is riding right there? If you didn't have that thing, the rope would constantly go right in there and just splash the person on the tube, which is a miserable experience. They'll run off in like a few minutes, if that's the case. But a setup like this, you can tow them around all day and they'll have a blast. You also need 3 people. You need one person driving, one person constantly looking at the towee with a flag ready if they fall off. And other than that, there's no real big difference in performance or ease, whether you're running a tiller or running a console. This is all being filmed on an Insta360 1x2 full 360 camera that can capture everything. Right now it's on auto tracking. As we swerve back and forth and the boat is flopping up and down, the camera is constantly keeping its eye on the towee or any item that's big enough that you can highlight in the editing software to hold it. You can zoom in and out at will with a pretty good crop. You can fast forward, speed. You can do pretty much anything you want in the post of editing, and you can even edit on your phone. Most action cameras with a static lens would have made this miserable to record, but because this thing can see everything and you can point which direction it sees during the editing process, you can get your target in frame all the time. Check it out, links in the description below. Thanks for watching, everyone. Take care.